Hello students. In next groups in previous lecture we will study the first group is the hydrophytes. Then the the next group is the mesophytes. The mesophytes means there are the mesophytes means is also called as the terrestrial plants, means the plants that survive in normal water conditions, and the mesophytic plants exhibit many grades of adaptations, and these mesophytes occupies in intermediate position between hydrophytes and xerophytes. uh, these plants which grow in mesic habitats, that's why this is called as the mesophytes, and they are typically land plants growing in well drained soils and containing moderate supply of minerals nutrients, and they are generally lack of spatial structure and physiological adaptation found in hydrophytes as well as the xerophytes. Then there are external characters of mesophytes. The first character is their root system is a very well developed and branched. That's why the function of root system is to absorptions of water and minerals, and also supports to plants, or they are the attached to substratum. Then root cap as well as the root hairs are present. The stem is the aerial solid as well as branched structure. Then the leaves are generally large, broad, and thin, and in different species or in different plants, their leaves are various from species to species, means the leaves are varied in shapes, and the leaves are formed horizontally without hair or waxy coatings, means the leaves, there are the hair or waxy not present in wax coating. Then internal ecological features of mesophytes. The cuticle is the moderate develop in all aerial part of plants, means in internal structures the plant parts like stem, root, and leaves, the cuticles are present, as well as the epidermis is very well developed without hair, these hairs are absent, and the epidermal layer is the very well developed. The cells lack of chloroplast, means in a chloroplast are present in small amount. Then the stomata are present on both surface of the leaves, the in upper surface as well as the lower surface the stomata are present. The guard cells of stomata shows in the moment, means to closing and opening of stomata closing and opening of the stomata, the guard cells are useful. And in dicot leaves, the mesophyll cell is differentiated into palisade as well as the spongy tissue with the intracellular space means the distance between two layers or two walls. And in dicot leaves, they are in a mesophyll cells is differentiated into two types of tissue, palisade tissue and the spongy tissues. And but in monocot leaves there is no distinctions, means there is the no differentiation into palisades and spongy tissues. Then in a in a mechanical as well as the vascular tissues are very well developed. Then the lower epidermis in leaves has lateral walls, whereas in hydrophytes and xerophytes lateral walls are straight. One more internal ecological features of mesophyte is in summer they undergo temporary wilting. Then the example of this mesophytic plant is the sunflower, then pea plant, sunflower, then pea plants, maize, marigold, etc. So these are the ecological group of mesophytes. I revised against the mesophyte. The mesophytic plants are also called as the terrestrial plants, and their example of or some plants are belonging to this mesophytic group, like sunflower, pea plants, maize, marigolds, etc. And this mesophytic group is intermediate between hydrophytes and xerophytes. Their external characters, their in a external characters, their root system is the very well developed, as well as root hairs are present. Their stems are branched and aerials. The leaves are generally large in size, and but the shape of leaves are variation from species to species. Then in internal structures, all parts like stem, roots, ts, transverse section of root, stem, as well as the leaves, the cuticles are present. The epidermal layers are very well developed. The stomata are present in leaf structure. The stomata are present in both surface, outer surface, as well as the lower upper surface, as well as the lower surface. The guard cells of stomata shows in the moment. And in dicots, they are differentiated into palacites as well as the spongy tissues. But in monocots, they are not differentiated into spongy as well as the palacites tissue. So these are the mesophytic characters, sorry, mesophytic groups. And in next lectures, we will discuss about the xerophytic group of ecological group. Thank you.